Listen to me very carefully. What's up, everybody? I'm Steve Brown. I'm the founder and lead editor of DigiLyfe Magazine. And at DigiLyfe, we are all about science, technology, and the digital lifestyle. Boom! We love technology. If you love technology, you'll love DigiLyfe. We live and breathe this stuff. I had to catch my breath. Getting excited. Look, we want to be your number one source for science and tech and pop culture and all that cool stuff that you see in movies. And we discuss it all 24/7. So if you love technology and science and the digital lifestyle and all things cool, make sure that you follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Make sure you subscribe to us on YouTube. And it's popping. How was that? Thank you very much. Now let's get to the tech.